How to create interesting gradient effects in Painter, particularly using the Express Paint feature. Now, just using this, the gradients, you can create really interesting backgrounds, and the key thing here is the interactive gradient tool, which you can find in the Painter toolbar. Go and select a gradient. There's a range of different gradients. You can, of course, edit gradients actually interactively, so you can change the colour. But you can go down and scroll down the list and select different gradients and then combine them. Particularly blending modes, really useful, sort of like difference or overlay, etc. You can create some very interesting colour effects just by using something like difference or obviously changing the opacity. There's also this lovely Express Paint feature which sort of paints on sort of, you can see sort of it smudging or sort of moving the gradient as you've applied it. So it applies it within the range of that gradient. So you can create really interesting colourful designs just by changing the amount and size of the effect. You can also set the preview on as well for the, so to you. Apply the gradient, just drag it. It's very interactive, so you can move it around, change things if you want. Change the colours, like say you just change those via the thing. And then once you've applied it, once you click OK, once you click that, you can see the Express Paint just suddenly been applied there. So just quickly applies it and just smudges all the way around. Really creates a lovely sort of brush stroked design. I mean, of course, you can always go and use one of the painted brushes and then apply the thing, but it's just so you just apply it multiple times. So if you want to use like different, apply the gradient and change the Express Paint. Don't have to keep the same Express Paint or the size. So just apply it. Again, you change different presets, change the colours if you decide that you don't want that colour. Just go over to the colour panel there and then just change it. Just say, once you've actually applied, just dragged it to the position you want, then choose the Express Paint, and then again commit or click OK, and then you will see the, sometimes it's very subtle sort of effect. Probably hardly notice the difference of the Express Paint, but some, like the heavy one, really will sort of create some very extreme. And you can of course increase the amount as well that will be applied, so you can make a lot of extreme shifting of the paint that's applied. So yeah, I'll apply it again, and again you can change the gradient. You can change also the mode, so you can go like linear, got radial, etc. So there's a whole range of different features, which are really great for creating a whole range of different effects. Once you've done that, once you're happy with it, you can go and apply effects, so like surface, and you can go for apply texture, etc. So there you can create a lovely sort of like three-dimensional paint effect, just very simply, just by using that. You can move using the image luminance, that's the key one, image luminance. Then you can move the light around, and that's it. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.